In this video, you're going to build your own habit tracker app, completely free, no coding needed. By the end, you'll have a clean, personalized app where you can add and categorize your habits, track your daily check-ins, and see your weekly progress, all in one place. Everything you need is already in the description of this video. The prompts, the tool, all of it. You just have to follow along. We're going to be building the app in Base 44. It's a no-code tool where you just write prompts and it builds the app for you. It's my favorite vibe coding tool because it's super easy to use and they offer a free plan, which we'll be using to build this app. You can find the link to Base 44 in the description. Go ahead and create your account with email and password.
Now, once you're on the Base 44 homepage and your account is ready, let's start building. As I said, you'll find all 5 prompts we're using today in the description, so you can just copy paste as we go. Go ahead and paste the first prompt here into the prompting window. Now we have the prompt here, and then we hit the prompting button. And the Base 44 engine goes to work. It's crazy how you can build an entire app with just copy-pasting text. Only after a single prompt, we already have the initial draft of the app. Go ahead and change to desktop view first and take a look around. And try adding a couple new habits. You can sort your habits by categories and you can pick an emoji for them as well. Let's move on to the second prompt. This one double checks that all the logic in the app works. So go ahead and copy paste it to Base. And once the engine is done, refresh your app. Our third prompt focuses on the style of the app, so go ahead and copy paste that next. And now our app style is more warm and calm. If you want to style it yourself, go ahead and try to describe the style you want to Base and see what happens. Another option is to first describe the style you want to AI, like ChatGPT, and ask it to make you a prompt for Base 44. The AI will ensure that the style of the prompt is correct. Next, our fourth prompt does some style refinements and also double checked some of the logic. And we're almost there. We have one final prompt left. Before that, let's go through the app and see what still needs a little bit of fine-tuning. The clearest thing that needs fixed is this competition percentage. Everything else looks quite good already. Now it's time to copy paste the final prompt. This prompt will fix all those small things we noticed and it will ensure the mobile view looks smooth. And that's it. Our habit tracker is actually ready and it works both desktop and mobile. And also, if you notice that something is not working as it should, just describe that error to Base 44 with normal language and it will fix it for you. If you want any further customizations, just go ahead and try it out. You can always revert to the previous version if something goes wrong. And now it's time to publish your app. With the free plan, you can publish your app to web. And if you want an actual mobile app, you can upgrade to Builder and publish that as well. So on the web tab, choose the visibility of your app. I will keep my app private just for personal use. And then go ahead and click Publish App. And now we're live. Copy paste the URL and log in if needed. If your app is private and it needs login, use the same email you use in Base 44. And here it is, the live final version. Go ahead and add your habits and start tracking.
And that's it. You just build your own habit tracker from scratch. Go ahead and customize the app as much as you want. Change the style, add your own habits, and make it work for your life. If you want to keep going, the next project is just one prompt away. If you watched the whole video but didn't build along, now it's your turn. Grab the prompts and the Base 44 link from the description and go do the build. And let me know in the comments what is the one habit you want to stay consistent with this year. I'll see you in the next video.